Hey everyone, it's Jessica, flight attendant flipper. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. I am a full-time flight attendant and part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and The RealReal. For those who are not new to my channel, welcome back. Today is another unboxing. So this is also a box that I've never gotten before, and let's see. I know it's bags. There was one box I decided not to get. It was like 5 Coach bags or 4 Coach bags for $100. I decided not to get that one. This one is 15 handbags, and it was $120. I think from a cost per item standpoint, this is by far the most expensive cost per item I've ever gotten. So let's see what's in here. I'm praying because it's $120. So, okay. First bag looks very nice. Isn't that cute? Okay, crossbody adjustable strap. Latico, New Jersey, USA. So this is, oh, it still has the card in it. I don't know if it's ever been used. It looks like it's in great condition, like really good. It's got credit card slots in there. So I'm gonna have to look up this brand, but I really do like this woven cutout look. Really nice. All right. Okay, this feels good. Yes, magnetic closure, gray, like hobo. This feels super luxurious, and it is in great condition. There's no marks on the outside. Let's see. Inside appears to be flawless too. Really nice. What brands are we? Ooh, Garnet Hill. Okay. Made in Italia. Well, I mean, it definitely feels like great quality. So, I mean, I feel very confident about this one. Garnet Hill is a more mature brand, but their quality is really good, and someone will definitely pay good money for this. There's no flaws. It's really in great condition. Okay, next is another crossbody. It looks like it's got a little bit of wear on it. You okay? It has a little bit of wear on it. It has the metal hardware for the crossbody straps. If you can see, it's got a little bit of wear right there and there. It's like almost like a purple gray color. I don't know who we are. Let's see. J. Crew. Okay. So, I mean, because of the little marks there, I don't know how much I'll get for it. But other than that, it's in really good condition. So we'll see. Not bad. What you doing? Okay, so I can see already this is an Isaac Mizrahi bag, and it's not for Target. This is Isaac Mizrahi, New York, and it is the green that I love, and the inside is gold, and I am living. Oh, I wish this was reversible. Okay, can we like this gold right here? I'm living. I am living. It's in fantastic condition. What a nice bag. Hold on, let's see. How cute is that? It's like a dark olive green with the gold buckles to say Isaac Mizrahi. No scratching on them. No signs of wear on the bottom. And then the gold interior. And then this is actually adjustable if you see the holes, so you can make it shorter. And then it has an inside pocket with the eye zipper pull, which I think is so cute. I always wonder, like, if you open these, if you're gonna find money. Nope. But it's in great condition. What are you doing? He's literally, you see the camera shaking, right? He's literally trying to chew the tripod. Yeah. Okay. Why pay money for food when you could just give them a tripod? Alrighty, so this is a, oh, sorry, baby. This is a Tumi, really cute. Seems to be in very good condition. Very nice. It's like a gray. It's like a dark gray. I don't know if you can see, but it definitely, like, the straps are black. The bottom is in great condition. There's a back snap open with no wear. Let's see. Inside is really clean. And then, of course, here you have the little Tumi tag. This is really nice, and Tumi does very well. So I am so far very happy with this bag. Okay, I live. Look how cute. How, oh my gosh, this is so, I love the detail. Isn't this nice? I don't even know who we are yet. I don't know, but we're in great condition. Like no wear, and this whole the hardware is like got this intentionally distressed look about it, and these almost look like horse boot stirrups on the side. It's got such great detail. Oh my goodness. And the little zippers, this is very like Y2K with the mini bag. Okay, so let's open. So in here, flawless condition, and then I guess there is a chain that connects to the zipper. That will make sense at some point. I'm not really sure what brand this is, but if I end up finding out before posting this video, I'll put it up here or somewhere here. But this is really cute. I really like this. Oh wait, found the brand. Okay, Renzo Ranero Donna. I don't know if you can see. Renzo. I like that one. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, this is a sack. Usually the sacks are woven, but oh my God, how cute is this? Look at these colors. Hello. I mean, this is giving me vintage vibes galore. Look at, oh, I love. This one has been used. There's a little bit of dust and crumbs on the bottom, which we can easily get out. There is something in the pocket with a, oh look, we got a pencil. No money, just a pencil. Oh, look, the interior has this nice little lining. Oh, I love this. And then, of course, the sack. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm not really feeling this one right now. Yeah. So this was probably really red at one point, and now it's faded. It's Stone Mountain. I mean, whatever. It's like a crossbody. It's definitely a functional piece, but now I'm good. Thank you. Okay, I don't know what brand this is, but it's definitely funky. Look at this. Houndstooth, red, this like laminate looking plastic exterior. I mean, hold on. This is Vera Bradley? Are you kidding me? Okay, so this is Vera Bradley, so maybe like one of her devout followers, because it is in pristine condition, at least so far. I mean, it still has the tissue in here. It's brand new. Okay, I have never seen a Vera Bradley that looks like this, but this is definitely giving me retro or even like punk type of, I don't know, this is so cute. I love Houndstooth, so. But it's definitely a statement piece. All right, how many do we have so far? How many bags? What number are we up to? Okay, we are at 9 bags so far. This one, this one, maybe I can get it cleaner. Well, this one has seen better days. It's a winter white. Oh, I like the little strap with the chain. I mean, we'll see what I can do. These straps are they're just dirty. So I don't know if I want to spend the time, honestly, to clean this one. I have to determine that maybe later. Okie dokie or okie dokie, this style is mostly for people who enjoy being alive and realize that to get aggravated is not worth, since the world will go on even when we will not be part of it. Literally, that's what it says on the outside of the bag. So I'm not really sure what to expect right now, but it's, yeah, it's a no from me. No, I'm good, thank you. Okay, this is giving me definitely retro vibes. Look at this retro clutch. This is very like Art Deco shaping here. California Magnesians, made in the USA. I don't know, I feel like there may be a buyer for this. What do you think? I don't know, maybe. Okay, so this quilted Kenneth Cole tote bag. It has snaps here, which leads me to believe that something is supposed to be here, but yet it's not. So I don't know. What you doing? Neji? No. No, honey. So yes, this is nice little tote bag, quilted. A dusty book bag. Black linen. Oh, it's Everlane. Oh my god. That's crazy. I'm definitely gonna have to get a lint brush to it. I don't know that it's been worn. It just has lint on it. I didn't even know that Everlane made book bags. Oh, I do say it's 2 stains on the bottom, so it's been used. I'm gonna try to get this one up pretty soon because school is right around the corner. Okay, here is another big one. Look at this. Really good condition. Not a lot of, no markings on the bottom that I can see. There's a little bit, I don't know if you can see, there's a little bit right there, like some wear. Who are we? Liz Claiborne. So definitely, it's clean on the inside and it's a big tote. I mean, it's not gonna get a lot of money, but it's still good. I feel like I got more than 15 bags though somehow. I've lost count. Anyway, I don't know what this is. It says it's Warm Studio. I've never heard of Warm Studio. This is got a little bit of dirt on the bottom. It does look kind of like vintagey, retro-y. Oh wait, no, wait. Warm Studio. But then inside it says Warm Juno. I'm so confused. I'm gonna look this up. If I find anything, I will put it on the screen. If I don't have anything there, it's because I didn't find anything. So I don't know about this. And then the last bag, I'm knocking everything over. The last bag, which seems to be very heavy, actually. Oh. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. It's very heavy. It says Gambini. I mean, this is definitely substantial. This is cute. I like this. I like how it feels. It's very substantial. Look at the straps. They've got the little perforations. It's really cute. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out my YouTube algorithm and helps me to provide more content that you want to see. Thank you so much for watching and happy thrifting. And if you're flying, fly safe. See you soon.